Hello, it's Glamstract here, another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Milk Cosmetics. We have the Liquid Blur or Blur Liquid Makeup Foundation. I'm also going to be trialing out for you some more Milk Cosmetic products such as the Milk Makeup Loose Powder. We have a cream stick highlighter and also a powder highlighter. The shade that I've picked myself is simply called Medium. This foundation is full coverage, water thin foundation, provides a weightless, long wearing matte finish. Matte finish. I set myself this. I mean, I should know better. Silicone-free formula, 1 clog pores, skin can breathe, blurring microspheres minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for smooth, flawless looking skin. Formula is housed in a mess-free, no drip, air-thin packet. Okay, I have used this foundation before and I'm here for you to give you a personal review. I have to say the packaging is pretty cool. It reminds me of one of those Barbie containers, you know, where they put the Barbies inside. It's a see-through. I mean, unnecessary because of the extra plastic, but it's really cool. You can tell by the packaging that it's a sort of like millennial focused brand. They say to shake it very, very well because that activates those blurring properties by shaking it a lot. I have used this foundation maybe twice, only twice. This is probably my third time using this foundation, and last time I've used this foundation it was last year. And I think the reason why I stopped using this foundation is because I hated it. So I already gave you like a conclusion to this video. We can now turn off the video and go do something else. But if you're happy to stay, I can tell you why. I have my usual skincare down, the Origins Mega Mushroom line, and I also prep and prime my skin with my usual Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This is as much as I'm gonna use for now, and see how much I can apply, because with these sort of squeezy pumps, you never know how much to apply, to be honest. When you have a pump, at least you know a pump, that's it. But these, we're gonna start with a little bit, which is approximately how much would be a pump. And to apply my foundation, I'm gonna use my favorite, now discontinued, foundation brush number 12 by Dior. More yellowish. I usually never go for yellow foundation, but buying online is not always the easiest when it comes to picking the right shade for you. This foundation is a medium to full coverage. And again, something that I usually don't go for, but let's buff it in. I was just hoping today by reapplying this foundation, maybe I can like this foundation. But now that I'm applying again on my skin, I can already tell I don't like it again. Yes. Unfortunately, applying it for the third time didn't really make any difference. I still don't have good vibes with this foundation. Don't mind the shade, to be honest, because I know it's too yellow for my skin. Literally, I look like the Simpson. It says it's like it's a water-based foundation and it's thin. But I feel it's so heavy on the skin for some reason. It's just super heavy. Whoa. Even the consistency is just so thick. I haven't had a bad foundation review in a while since the Air Blush Flawless by Charlotte Tilbury foundation. That was horrible, oh my god. But this one, it's really close to that. This is definitely one of those that I am not. Oh my god. Disgusting. I want to take these off right now. I was so close to take these off. I also took a wipe, but I said, Antonio, stop. You have other products from Milk Cosmetics to review that you like. Carry on. It's gonna be a pain to look at myself in a mirror every single time, but this doesn't feel good at all. Yikes. Sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna apply some of the Instant Full Coverage Concealer by Bobbi Brown off camera. I'll be back very shortly. My face is getting worse. Ugh. I mean, the Bobbi Brown concealer sort of saved it a little bit in terms of color, but oh my god, this is heavy. I'm just like patting it in, hoping to get rid of like that heavy weight. If I do that, maybe, because look at that. Not transfer resistant, is it? No, I'm sorry, this is disgusting. Super disgusting. I'm sorry, Milk. Cakey, heavy. It emphasizes any like imperfection on the skin. It creates texture that I never had on my skin. It emphasizes my pores. Oh my god. I'm gonna use Milk Makeup Techno Cream Highlighter. Now, I never use this properly. Like, I always like, you know, swatching the back of my hand. You can see it's like a very pretty holographic sort of cream highlighter. But it does feel a little bit chunky, and I feel like you certainly cannot swap this on top of your cheek, because this is gonna take all your foundation off because it's thick. It's not like one of those nice, gentle, emollient cream sticks. Not at all. It's actually really, really thick, and that's a negative for me, especially if you want to dab it on top. So what I would suggest to do is to actually dab it on your fingers first, and I mean to swatch on your fingers and then dab it on top of your cheeks. I mean, it is pretty, but it stinks. It stinks a lot. It's like super, ugh, it's disgusting. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it's like ugly, but it's pretty. It's a pretty shine on the cheeks, but it's super chunky and heavy and stinky. Ugh. Now, powder. This was another experience as well. The shade in the powder I got for myself, I think the only, oh yeah, Translucent Light. That's the shade I have picked. And I'm just gonna go very lightly, very, very lightly, because it's already like a mattifying foundation. So literally I'm gonna dab the excess off on the back of my hand and just lightly apply it. Oh my god. Sorry. Just lightly apply it on my under eye. Okay. Yo, this powder is removing the foundation underneath. What the heck? Oh my god, the foundation underneath is moving. I always use this brush to apply my powder, especially like in the delicate areas, and it always done a great job. But I don't know if I zoom in, I don't know if you can tell, I don't have Canon, Sony or beautiful cameras to make this translate properly, but I don't know if you can tell, it literally moved the foundation and it kind of like clogged down here now, whatever I moved. And under my eyes as well, it's like sinking the lines. Oh, no, 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 no. I am so sorry that I have wasted the money. I'm sorry for myself. Wasted my money. This was a lockdown bad decision. I applied a little bit of powder, bronzing powder off camera as well, but I didn't apply too much because I had already, this foundation is already slightly darker than my skin. I don't know if you can tell, it's emphasizing my pores in this area, like around my nose. It's creating texture. I don't want to repeat myself, but basically what I want to say is that this foundation is shit. And this powder is equally shit. And that cream highlighter is not shit, but almost. But the next Milk makeup product is awesome. I love this so much. It's probably not going to do justice on this shit base, but is beautiful. These I would recommend. The Flex Highlighter, Illuminate Flex. And the shade I have is Lit. Such a beautiful highlighter. And I'm just gonna apply here. I mean, it's not doing justice on top of this base, but wow, the highlighter is gorgeous. And again, now that I'm applying highlighter over here, and I'm not pressing it too hard, I literally like to dab my highlighter into my cheeks and then very gently sweep. I can see that the foundation on top of my cheeks is now moved. it's not there anymore. Like I can see a pink patch of my natural skin color coming through. No guys, this is not good. I took the decision to not carry on with this video because I'm not happy. I'm not happy about this makeup on my face. So I just put a little bit of lip gloss, not to leave my lips bare before I end this video. Just to have a quick recap of what I've used. The Milk Makeup foundation is horrible. It's really horrible. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm no one to really criticize so much, but I do have an opinion because I do work in makeup, and I do think this is not a good foundation. I mean, maybe if you're super oily, maybe this could work for you. It's not good. I'm sorry. This is a real pass for me. I don't know if this is as bad as the Charlotte Tilbury, but it's definitely in the same category. The cream highlighter, this is a love and hate. Love because, oh my god, the glitter is awesome. You get the highlighter, it gives you that like festival feel, you know, that chunky. But if you want to introduce this into like your everyday makeup, this is not great. And let me tell you, it's a stink. So if you get it, be aware of that. Next, I have used the Milk Makeup Translucent Powder. It's okay. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's just, But the best product that I've used from Milk Cosmetics so far is this, is the highlighter in shade Lit. This is such a beautiful highlighter. I mean, I'm sorry that you have to see this highlighter on this horrible base, but don't worry, I'm gonna do another video when I'm reviewing something else, and I'll throw this in so this can have its own moment in a better light. Because like this is just not doing its justice, I feel like. If something really doesn't work, I just want to be upfront with you and tell you all of these products are not sent to me for free. So I've spent money on it and the disappointment is real. So yeah, this is what you're gonna get from my channel. When something is good, I'll tell you it's good. When something is bad, I'll tell you it's bad. And I'm sorry for sometimes I use bad words to translate that, but sometimes it's just easier to say something like that. It doesn't mean that I don't like the brand. Absolutely not. This is just a case for these products that I've used from Milk Cosmetics that I really, really dislikes. But I'm sure, just like, you know, the Milk Makeup Highlighter, there are other products that they produce that are awesome. And honestly, if these products works for you, amazing. But they don't work for me. And this concludes this today's foundation review. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't send too much hate if you love this foundation. This is, as I said, my personal review, my personal opinion. Everything is personal, so respect others' opinion like I respect yours. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, this time I'm gonna say you can give it a thumbs down, because that will show that you agree with me. You don't like it. And while you're here on YouTube, why don't you just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also head over to my Instagram and you can follow me there at Glamstract as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.